Matching appearance. This replacement exterior door handle was specifically designed to look and function the same as the original handle on particular vehicles. Seamless replacement. Designed to match the dimensions and specifications of the handle that came stock on the vehicle. Excellent value. Original equipment quality at a lower price. Ensure fit. This handle is vehicle position specific, so double check you have the correct handle for the same position and side of the vehicle you want to replace. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Want a new exterior door handle that matches the original, for far less than going back to the dealership? This replacement door handle was engineered to match the fit and appearance of the stock handle on specific vehicle years, makes and models. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Low price. Works well, a quarter of the price of OEM. That said, I've owned my 2000 Safari since new and have replaced every door handle at least once. The price you pay for working out of a van. When it was new, the rear handle broke twice under warranty, so I stuck with Dorman when I had to pay.